Have you ever noticed someone wearing expensive clothes, carrying the newest phone, and driving a
Hmm?
flashy car? They look rich, right? But sometimes the truth is very different. Many people spend a lot of money just to appear successful, even when they're struggling financially behind the scenes. Some people use credit cards, loans, or buy now, pay later plans to afford things they can't really afford. At first, it feels exciting, but over time, the bills pile up, the debt grows, and the financial stress becomes harder to ignore. Looking rich often means spending money on things that lose value quickly, like luxury brands, expensive gadgets, or trendy items. These purchases may impress people for a moment, but they rarely help you build real wealth. People who become truly wealthy usually make different choices. Instead of trying to impress others, they save money, invest for the future,
Hmm.
and live below their means. They focus on growing their assets instead of growing their expenses. Real wealth isn't about looking rich.
Hmm.
It's about having financial freedom, less stress, and the ability to make choices without worrying about
Hmm.
money. The richest people aren't always the ones who look the richest. So before you buy something just to impress other people, ask yourself one simple question. Will this make me look rich, or will it actually help me become rich? Choose wisely, because building wealth is always more valuable than simply looking wealthy.